6CR008177, State versus Michael Solana. Can I have parties announced?
David McLean for the defense.
And are you Mr. Solana?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, you received all discovery. Did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Solana, did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State proceeding as presented. Ms. Solano, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're charged with obstruction or retaliation as a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Judge.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Your Honor.
Mr. Solana, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No,
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
no, ma'am.
Satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 3 years. There's $1,000 fine probated. State recommends community supervision. They're taking in consideration 2026 CC 009422. There's to be restitution, if any, to bunkhouse, BUNK space HOUS. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, ma'am.
State defense is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 3 years, TAP evaluation, 100 hours of community service restitution, no contact with bunkhouse at 1000 Fredericksburg Road, 7821, the MRT and anger management. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state? Court does not have to follow those recommendations.
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State offer receipts exhibit 1 and all attachments.
Judge reviewed that with my client. We have no objection.
All right, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state will call them the right to remain silent. The state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. Court has reviewed the same. Court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Please, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, we just have to follow the plea bargain.
All right, what was going on? Why are you breaking out a window? And why does it turn into this?
Yeah, 'cause I was upset because my phone got stuck.
All right, so did the window steal your phone?
No,
So why are you knocking out a window?
I was just upset. I was upset.
And how old are you?
34.
And this is how we behave when we're upset?
Yeah, unfortunately, I'm still learning about that. To be more patient in affliction, so I'm just barely learning that.
All right, were you homeless?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And if you were released, do you have a place to stay?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any family support here?
No, ma'am. I don't.
Where's your family? Scattered? All right. Are you originally from San Antonio?
Yes, ma'am.
Any drug issues with you?
No, ma'am, not current. In the
Okay, what,
past,
in the past, what it was it?
It was methamphetamines.
How often in the past?
I was I was an addict for 14 years, and I went to rehab when I was 30.
All right, rehab where?
At Haven.
Okay. Do you have any children?
No, no, ma'am.
When's the last time you had employment?
I just got a job just before I got out.
Doing what?
Photography. I just got a job in photography.
Okay. Is this a place hired you for photography or you just had a camera?
No, they hired me for photography.
Okay. And it appears that the restitution may be approximately $1,400. How are you planning on paying that if it is $1,400?
Getting a job.
Okay. And of course, we'll set it for a restitution hearing.
Thank you, Judge. And Judge, just for the court's edification, my client is finishing his associate degree in radio, television, and film. He's planning on trying to get his bachelor's in music management. He is trying to better himself, and from what I understand in our conversations, he has been clean for some time now. He's done a good job of trying to beat his addiction. He was staying at the bunkhouse, and they were preventing him from getting some of his belongings, and he got upset, and that's what kind of led to all this. And it's not an excuse, and he knows that, and that's why he's here to take responsibility.
Oh, okay. So the bunkhouse is what, a place?
No, it's a homeless shelter.
Oh, it's a homeless shelter. Okay. You should try tiny homes that they have here in San Antonio. All right. State anything to add with regards to the restitution?
No, Judge, I will just say that, I don't believe an attempt has been made yet.
Mhm.
But I will do that and we will ascertain.
All right. How much time do you want for the restitution hearing? 30 days? Norma, if I could have a 30-day reset for a restitution hearing on this case,
Right.
is that a good date for you, counsel?
I'm checking right now, Judge. It's good. December 8th. Yes, Judge, that'll work.
Okay. And state your excuse. Thank you. All right. The court will sentence you to the following regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular UAs, proof of employment within 45 days of release from custody, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors, a TAP evaluation out of custody, follow recommendations, 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order probation. Do we need anger management or MRT? Yes. Okay. So I'll deduct 100 hours once you've completed the cognitive thinking course. And I will deduct the remaining hours, 1 hour for every sober support meeting that is completed. And I'm going to require sober support meetings 1 time per week.
Thank you, Judge. Just keep you on the street.
There is $1,000 fine that will be probated. If you successfully complete probation, you will not have to pay that fine. The court will sentence you to 3 years suspended and probated for 3 years. There's to be no contact with bunkhouse.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any items remaining there?
Yeah. Yes, I actually did, and I had my sister go, and she was trying to pick it up. It was only like a couple of days after. They said
Wait a
that they-
minute. Let's backtrack a little bit. I asked you if you had any family. You said no.
No, yeah, my sister. We're not close. I mean, she gets my stuff. She takes care of my belongings, but that's pretty much it.
That's a lot. Taking care of someone
Yeah, but
else's
she doesn't let me.
belongings is a lot.
That's true. I agree.
All right. No contact with bunkhouse at 1000 Fredericksburg Road, San Antonio, Texas, 78201. Probation, is there anything else? Thank you. Field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, make better decisions. And if you need help with housing, let probation know. They'll be able to connect you with resources.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Good luck to you.